Today, we're tackling a classic dessert with a twist, Hershey's Kiss Cookies, but completely nut-free. Want to learn more? Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Hershey Kiss Cookies without peanut butter are a popular treat for those looking for a nut-free option. These delicious cookies are made with a classic cookie dough base and topped with a Hershey's Kiss. They are perfect for any occasion and loved by all. Here is a recipe for Kiss Cookies using Hershey's Kisses. But what makes this recipe different is that this is a nut-free Kiss Cookies recipe. One year, I wanted to make some cookies for the kids' teachers for Teacher Appreciation Week. If you know me well, you know I love desserts. Usually, I make meringue cookies or brownies because they are easy and quick, but I wasn't sure how they would hold up in the gift bag. Meringue cookies don't travel well, especially not in a Ziploc baggie in a gift bag. I needed a quick, easy dessert, so I decided to make some Hershey's Kiss Cookies. On the Hershey's Kisses bag, there's a recipe for Kiss Cookies, but that recipe had peanut butter. Some of the kids in one of the classes have peanut allergies, so I always bake a batch of cookies without nuts for her friends with allergies. I searched the internet for Hershey Kiss cookie variations, combined a few Hershey Kisses cookie recipes, and came up with my own version of this recipe without peanut butter. Recipe for Kiss Cookies without peanuts. This is an easy and quick cookie recipe. It hardly took any time to prepare, and I already had all of the ingredients in the house. The cookies tasted great. My family and the teachers loved them. I will keep the recipe on hand for the next time I need to make a dessert that travels well. Before you start making the Kiss Cookies without peanut butter recipe, make sure you have butter, eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, milk, and Hershey's Kisses. Kiss Cookies recipe. The classic peanut butter blossoms without peanut butter. So, what are Hershey Kiss thumbprint cookies without peanut butter? They are just blossom cookies without peanut butter. Simply substitute the peanut butter in your favorite recipe and enjoy the same classic flavors without the peanuts. This cookie recipe without nuts is perfect for those with allergies. For this, Hershey Kiss Sugar Cookies no peanut butter recipe, you'll need a stand mixer. I love my KitchenAid mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, a hand mixer will do. Before we continue to the ingredients and step-by-step guide, don't forget to give us a like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also, don't forget the link in the description. Now for the ingredients. 1/2 cup softened butter, 1 egg, 1 cup sugar, 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons milk, 35 Hershey's Kisses, 1/2 cup powdered sugar. Optional for rolling the cookies. Let's get started. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Step 2. Beat with stand mixer or a hand mixer. Butter, egg, sugar, and vanilla extract until well blended. Our third step in making Hershey Kiss cookies without peanut butter is to a separate bowl combine flour, salt, and baking soda. Mix. Step 4. Slowly blend the dry ingredients and the milk into the wet mixture. Step 5. Shape into 1-inch balls. Our sixth step in making Hershey Kiss cookies without peanut butter is optional. Roll each ball in a bowl of powdered sugar. Step 7. Place on cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 8. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until the cookies are just slightly browned. Our ninth step in making Hershey Kiss cookies without peanut butter is remove from the oven and let cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 10. Press a chocolate kiss into the center of each cookie. Step 11. Move cookies to a wire rack to completely cool. This recipe makes around 35 cookies. This recipe is simple, delicious, and perfect for anyone who loves a classic Hershey's Kiss cookie but needs a nut-free option. So give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. Also, don't forget the link in the description.